Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this countdown animation in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go from 5, but you can do it from like 10. But I'm I'm not lazy. I just want to do it from 5. You can also make it glow. You can change the color of it as well if you'd like to. And I'm going to make them like around 30 seconds each. 5, 4, 3. Well, actually, you're going to make it 1 second each. Why did I say I'm gonna make it like they're like half a second each? Hold on. Four, 3, 2. It's a little bit over, but just be more precise than I am right now. Right click everything, create compound clip. Go to video, go to motion blur. Make sure the blur is like around 75 and the blend is at like, well, I'm just going to put the blur at like 90, but the blend to like 60. It doesn't really have to be super accurate or the same. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.